Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. We just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. You come to apps this here and there you're looking for Amazon Alexa app. You just click on it here. So or just click on search, then here at Amazon Alexa app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is here. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, you just click here on storage. Come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. You click here on Play Store here. So then you search here for your Amazon Alexa. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.